Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Simple Stamping Day. And we're going to make this really cute simple stamping card with some new product that will be in the 2020-2021 annual catalog. What we're going to be doing, let me bring you up here. Okay. What we're going to be doing using for this is we're going to be using a new stamp set called Ornate Style. This is in the Ornate Garden Suite. You can buy the whole suite up until, well, even now ahead of time. It's a pre-release, so you can buy it right now until all the way through the new catalog. What else we're going to be using is I'm going to be using some Memento Black, Tuxedo Memento Black. I am going to be using Cherry Cobbler, Old Olive, Crushed Curry, Pumpkin Pie, and Real Red. I am also going to be using, for a medium to put those on, I'm going to be using our blender pen. And we're going to be using a Whisper White note card. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ink up the large flower, sets of flowers in the Ornate style. And I am going to center that on the Whisper White note card. Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. And there we have that. Now all we've got to do is color it. Now you could leave it that way if you'd want to. You can start coloring it. If you want to, you could color it with the colored pencils and watercolor it, or with our markers. The blends you can do, but it would soak through that side. So I decided I still wanted a little color, so I'm going to use my blend pens. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit like of the Old Olive for the leaves. Now I probably won't do, because this will take a bit to do. I'll just show you how I'm doing it, and then you can do it yourself. This is a good thing to do if you're sitting watching television or a movie or something. You know how coloring is a good de-stressor. Relaxes you. It takes your mind off of all the problems going on. Well, let me go down just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, how's that? You can also just put like a drop of free inker on a piece of plastic and do it that way. But you got to really then control what you've got on it. And you can, the color, if you go over it more, you can get a darker color or a lighter color. And remember, between colors, you want to make sure that you get all the color off. Like I'm going to change colors right now. So I want to make sure I get all, and use this as a, like you would a marker on your side, never on the tip. So I want to get all this color off. And you can do it on a piece of scratch paper if you want, or whatever you want it on. Yeah, here it's mostly gone. Now I'm going to use some crushed curry. And I'm going to put some crushed curry in the centers of these flowers. Okay. And then I'm going to, let's use some pumpkin pie for the center of these flowers. And then what I want to do is I want to make this flower, the big flower. Now see, I have just put re-inker on that spot. So it's going to come out a little more, a little deeper, a little darker, easier to spread. Last a bit longer. Here. Now you can finish that off. I am just going to right now, because you don't want to spend another 20 minutes just watching. Let's move this over just a little bit. There is this little corner piece in the set, and I'm inking it up with real red, and I am just going to outline in the corners. There, you got it. Now you can finish it up whenever you like. This is what I did. You can see I did more of a daisy color on these. White, let's see. There you go. White with the little colors on the tips and the inside and the some on the outsides of the petals. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this great card is listed below. I really would appreciate it if you help my small business out by purchasing your Stampin' Up products from me. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.